Hello, friends around the world, and welcome again to my channel. So, today I decided to come with this quick video, short one, because I get a question in my last video. The question was about some slangs in Morocco, Moroccan slangs, and I want you guys all to know the right pronunciation of these words and the meaning, okay, all together. So let's start with the first word. So the first word is ka a. Okay, as we see in the other videos, so a is like the alphabet, the Arabic alphabet. One is this sound. Okay, like standard. I mean, more about like standard Arabic. Okay, so more about like standard Arabic. So let's write the Arabic pronunciation. Okay, so Kai is someone that is angry and more about pissed off. Okay, so angry. So someone that is angry and more about pissed off. Okay, دوي مع دماغي. Okay, دوي مع دماغي. Let's write it. I'm not sure if he write it correctly because دوي مع دماغي talk with my brain, but here I talk with my brain. داوي مع دماغي. Okay, let's write it in more details. Da, we, okay, m, ha, d, d, ma, okay, ri. داوي مع دماغي. So, دماغ, okay, I'm gonna write it over here, guys, for you. So, if we want to write, so it's gonna be دماغ is the brain, and داوي is gonna be talking, okay, so مع with. So if you get here, the translation that is gonna be, yes, talking with my brain, okay, داوي مع دماغي, with دماغي with the E, so E here, it's for me, okay. Yes, داوي مع دماغي. So meaning I'm talking with my brain normally. So this is the literal translation, and the other one is I'm talking with myself. Sorry, talking with myself. Perfect. Okay, next one is ماشي مقبول. Okay, ماشي مقبول. So we already see in the last videos that ماشي is the negative. Okay, not. Okay, and ما ق مو is are in unfair situation or injustice situation. Okay, so here the meaning not okay, unfair meaning it's fair. Okay, ماشي مقبول, ماشي مقبول. Okay, yes, I'm not something injustice happened to me. There is nothing injustice happened to me. So ماشي مقبول. Okay, كي تسيف كي دراسي. Okay, كي تسيف كي دراسي. And remember once again, sorry, that this words is a straight words, meaning we don't use it with families, of course. So this is just between really guys, not really even girls. Never heard someone like talking like that, but there is, yeah, places in the street where you find everyone like talking like this, but in general is not a respected way. Okay, so just keep in mind that this is just between friends, especially in the street. Okay, so كتسيف كدراسي, so كي تسيف meaning is changing. Okay, the other word is كي like, okay, دراسي, my teeth, okay, perfect, okay, because the E, as we said, the E, last one, the E is, oh, I'm saying the E like French pronunciation, okay, it's for my teeth. Perfect. Not sure how to do it like this. Okay. I hope it's like clear for you. Once again, we change the color just for make it like more clear. Okay, perfect. Next one is بنادم طولانطي. So once again, no, b, no, de, بنادم is personal people. Okay, especially like about person بنادم, one person singular. طو, okay, so طو, لا, ن, طي. طولانطي, meaning that he's smart in for to use it in bad situation, or smart smart as bad person for his own purposes. Okay, someone smart to use it only for their benefits. Okay, I'm gonna said only for because this is notes, so I'm not sure if you remember. Just taking notes is more clear and you can remember. ما صدقش فنيان. So here he want to write ما صدقش فنيان, because if he writes ما صدقش, it must be female, so فنيانة. فنيانة, it must be the A and the N. Okay, so I'm gonna explain. So ما صدقش is more about didn't come true. Didn't come true. Okay, something didn't come true. فنيان is lazy. فنيان, lazy. So he didn't. He in this situation, I translated the letter is translation, but here in this word, مسقطش فنيان, he's not lazy. Second one, she's not lazy. Okay. In the end, they are not lazy. Okay, so yeah, so this is the translation. Thank you so much for your comment. I think you already helped a lot of people to understand these slangs, even they are street slangs, so we don't use it with the family or talking with the loved persons. This is more about the street slangs, the street talking. And thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Slama. Bye bye.